I hope and trust you all are well and enjoyed the day 1 of our summit. Today we are presenting to you day 2 of the Yoga Summit. The whole aim of bringing Just Breathe Summit to you all is to make you understand that breath is life and breathing is so important to you that just by changing your breath or just by using these tried and tested yogic exercises for your breath, you can definitely not just feel better physically but also emotionally and mentally. When you work on the prana or life force energy, your body starts responding to everything around you at a very different level. So let us look at what is there for day 2 of this summit. Are you excited? I am definitely excited to bring to you another amazing yoga teacher who will take us through her specialty with a type of breathing exercise. So let us look into who is it and what do they have for us. We have with us Chitra Baranwal, who is a certified yoga teacher from the Yoga Institute, Mumbai. Chitra has been a yoga enthusiast for over 15 years and is extremely passionate about the topic of yoga. As a part of this summit, she will introduce us to the Bhastrika or bellows breathing. Her gentle approach and compassionate energy will definitely help us automatically feel great in her presence. So over to you, Chitra. Let us see what she has to offer to us.
Namaste, I'm Chitra. I'm going to talk about Bhastrika Pranayam, also known as bellows breath. As the name suggests, this pranayam increases the flow of air in your body and generates heat at both physical and subtle levels. I'll first talk through the steps of the pranayam and then do a demo for better understanding. To begin with, sit in a comfortable position with your spine erect. You can also sit on a chair if unable to sit on the floor. Breathe normally for a few seconds to relax yourself. You may close your eyes if that is comfortable. Once you feel relaxed, take a deep breath in and exhale forcefully through your nose. Immediately breathe in with the same force. Inhale and exhale repetitively, fully, using your diaphragmatic muscles. I'll show you how. As you may have seen, the abdomen comes out with each inhalation and the reverse happens with each exhalation. These movements should be slightly exaggerated but rhythmic and controlled. What I mean by that is, only your breathing should be exaggerated. But what some people do is, they breathe like this, which is completely wrong. The purpose of any pranayam is to relax yourself. If you move your body like that, you will end up exerting yourself. So that should be avoided. Now, 10 cycles make one round. You can do 3 cycles per session with pauses in between. This pranayam should be performed empty stomach. There are certain limitations to this pranayam. People with heart ailments, hypertension, vertigo, epilepsy should not do it. Pregnant women should avoid this pranayam. People with eye ailments or spinal abnormalities should avoid this pranayam. Coming to the benefits, this pranayam is favorable for your respiratory and digestive system. It provides oxygen to all the cells in your body. It calms your mind. It rejuvenates both your mind and body. and it strengthens and tones your abdominal muscles. Thank you.